Will you please, please, please stop wasting your time with these cable crunches? It's not gonna burn your belly fat. It's a garbage move. Let me show you something way better. If you wanna work your abs and you're crunching over and over, at my age, that's gonna break down your spine potentially. So what I want you to do is take that same cable machine, push your arms up, come up into a straight line. Now, tension your core like crazy. Don't bend your spine. Push your hips back and push your hands forward. I got a nice hip hinge here. Now I'm gonna push my hands away, and right away my abs are kicking in because that weight is trying to pull me back. I'm having to resist it to get a huge core contraction. I'm gonna repeat that for as many reps as I can until I fatigue. I'm gonna do that 2 to 3 sets, roast my core, save my back, and most importantly, get better, not older.